Hello everyone, Teacher Damien here from the Creative Edu Academy, and today I will be introducing you all to the new Kids Box New Generation Starter Level Edition that is equipped with 3 books, including the Pupils book and tests. So, inside the Kids Box New Generation are equipped with 8 units and plenty of stories, games, and also videos, including the Monty sounds and Mary's science, math, and art to help your child learn English in a CLIL manner. So, come down here at the Creative Edu Academy where we will use this Kids Box New Generation to help your child in their starter level, aged 4 to 6, to be fluent and confident in speaking English. See you here!